لبيك
Some good vibes, man.
الحمد لك
Wow.
الله وحده لا
Allah is one.
شريك له سبحانه.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot.
Vanakkam namaste, namaskar, my name is Sunesh. In this video, we are just going to react to Sami Yusuf Ilhana. So as one of you guys requested, I'm just going to react to this. Exactly, it's not exactly a music video, we can exactly say. The last time when I just reacted to Sami Yusuf, you know, when he's Asbi Rabi live, you know, Dubai, some musical instrument or something like that. Like, you know, the thing is, like, that video was blocked by YouTube because due to copyright came or something, but I just like disputed them, like I just like fair use or something, but it doesn't happen. That video is no more in YouTube. So I just want to write this one. I hope this one not mess up like that. And I need to say, I need to pass at some point when it comes to like this video. I need to pass at some point. I react to it so that it just don't mess up due to when it comes to like copyright. I hope you understand me. And before getting started, I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, part of the V Gang family, you know what to do. Can see right there. Smash the subscribe button, also notification bell along there, just in case you don't want to miss any videos from my channel. Give some boy inspiration and make videos, man. What is just when you watch, not even take seconds, hit the subscribe button right now. And also I just search for the meaning of the Arabic thing what is just given, you know. It means our God is not your promise. That's the meaning. I don't know if it's
Our
like,
God is not your
yeah,
promise.
it's like our
إلى هنا ما أعد لكم إلى هنا ما أعد لكم.
okay, that's how I have to pronounce. I don't want to ruin that, like by saying some other like, I don't know, like saying it wrongly, and that's how we have to pronounce. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Like, let's go, and it's gonna be good. When it comes to like, the last Sami Yusuf's that Asbi Rabi was like full of drum beats and it was giving some good vibes. You know, that's why I just decided to react to it. I guess one of you guys said me like in Instagram, but because we just reacted to Sami Yusuf, you know, Asbi Rabi. You guys sent this like thanks for letting me know. You know, so if you thought you guys I have not like discover this or whatever this is, I hope this will be good. And as I said, I need to pass this some point due to copyright. The last video was blocked. I don't want to mess up things like this. I hope you understand me. Let's go begin. Just watch out for captions. Very good. Here I am. I answer. Wow, look at the location.
الحمد لك والملك يا
Oh, this is. Now when we just reacted to the last Asbi Rabi live, you know, you guys, as I said, you know, we just did with some instrument. This instrument, I don't know if it's like, I just said he's from Azerbaijan. You know, when I just said I don't even know where the country is. He's from Azerbaijan. And when it comes to Azerbaijan, I just searched for the language which is just spoken, Azerbaijani or something. I don't know if it's like Azerbaijani or it's in Arabic or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comment below, guys.
مليك كل من ملك لبيك قد لبيت لك لبيك
Good vibes, man.
الحمد لك الله وحده لا شريك له سبحانه.
Wow. Oh, you know, just giving so much great. I don't know what is this called as something they just like playing and just giving so much devotional vibes. You know, this is like this devotional song. You know, like our God is not your promise or something. Wow.
والملك لا شريك له لبيك الحمد لك والعز لا شريك له. الله 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 لا إله إلا هو.
That's like Allah, and there is no God but Him or something like. When it's like Allah, you know, it's like Arabic word. It's like meaning God. Allah means in Arabic
God.
God. You know, that's what Arabic people call, and that's like they just say one God or something. This is giving some great vibes, you know.
سبحانه
Oh,
ما عادل
I want to play that.
مليكة
King of World.
لمن ملك
He's so devotional. See, he's like.
لبيك قد
This guy is considered as some kind of so much devotional singer, exactly so to say, in Arabic countries, because he just sings all devotional songs in some kind of concert and like this music video. Yes, he just released this music. Exactly, I don't have to say music video, but this video in his channel. You know, exactly, Sammy Yusuf.
لبيت لك لبيك إن الحمد لك
It's in masjid.
وهو آخر مظاهر والباطن والوالي
How great is I don't know if his eyes is some kind of creepier.
Yes,
Like,
somewhat,
you know, like,
yes.
when it comes like Arabic people or Russian girls or something, their eyes is some kind of different. Not exactly our eyes or something. It's like totally different. So that's what. When it comes to like the girls who are there in the song, I don't know if they are Azerbaijan from Azerbaijan. I think.
والملك لا شريك له لبيك إن الحمد لك والعز لا شريك له
Wow. This is the best location. Is it Himalayas or something? I don't think so.
Some
Because you know
place.
the nearest when it comes like as these Arabic countries, like these kind of locations, Nepal or either Himalayas, which is like border, which is India, Nepal or something. I don't know exact location of this, but it's like early morning. See, it's like
Yes.
early morning. Sun gonna rise up or something. At the end of the music, at the end of the video, the sun gonna rise up or what? Oh, it's like coming. Oh God, Allah. Wow.
الوكيل القوي المتين الغني اللطيف الخبير الحليم سبحانه.
This part is like so Subhanallah or something like this. It's like so cool, and he's saying the most exactly what he just say.
The most
No, before this from the most subtle and gracious, the all aware, the forbearing. It's like telling all about Allah and how perfect this is
his
just.
ما عادل مليكة لمن ملك لبيك قد لبيت لك لبيك إن الحمد لك ارحمنا واسترنا واحفظنا من كل
Have mercy on us and help us and save us from every calamity. It's like worst thing, because when it comes like the years going by, calamities are just like it's normal, getting normal. Just like they just say like in Muslims, just Judgment Day or something, where this.
Yes.
الوائي الرائي يا مولانا سبحانه ما عادل مليكة لمن ملك لبيك قد لبيت لك لبيك إن الحمد لله سبحانه.
I love how he just like so much like into like closing his eye and just doing that thing and it's like giving so much devotional vibes. This thing, I don't know what this instrument is. Let me know in the comment below the instrument. It's like 10 out of 10. I just gotta say it's giving some devotional vibes. Glory be to him.
Yeah, they are ending how they
Wow,
started.
this is the best location.
Okay.
Okay, this is the thing we just reacted to.
Yes,
Sammy Yusuf as
is. I remember.
Wow. Okay, it was like so cool. As I said, the instrument what they just used, it was like
It's a
something.
devotional
It's
sound.
like it's like giving some good vibes. I don't know what exactly. It's like their country instrument. When it comes to like our country, you know, we have flute or something which is like you know,
Mridangam these
yeah,
days.
like we have in India, we have many instruments which is
Carnatic
originated from
instruments, yes.
our like that. They have this like their instrument something, but it's like it was like really awesome video. It's like all about like our God and something, which is like we just really enjoyed it, and I hope you do. So leave a like, you just really enjoyed it. Thanks for letting me know, you know, I told you guys like it's like cool song, you know, like good,
Really
reacting to cool, you know, it's like cool, different things, you know, giving some great vibes. Okay guys, and thank you guys for watching, and you know, thank you. Shukran. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot to me, and no, it means a lot to us. And before ending this video, I just want to say, which is new to my channel, now part of the V Gang family, you know what to do. Can see you right there, smash the subscribe button, also notification bell along with that, just in case you don't want to miss any videos from my channel.
Yes.
Just inspiration, man. Like just random take things to that. It means a lot to us. Okay, okay, that's pretty much it. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right, and as always, I will see you guys
And the next video,
in the
man,
next video. Until then,
is take care. Bye
I'm
bye.
just signing off, and bye bye.